What would you do for tickets to see Kenny Chesney at Cleveland Stadium? Meet Cheryl Hamilton. She was the first person to call our sister station, WGAR, and volunteer to have her head shaved for a pair of tickets.
I never really thought about it. I just heard it and figured, what the heck?
Morning man Jim Mantell did the shaving.
I am qualified to be a barber in the Marine Corps. And that's about, I've never done this before.
Are you nervous?
Not at all. It's not my hair.
Here goes the very first.
She thinks my tractor's sexy. It really turns her on. She's always staring at me while I'm chugging along. She loves the way.
Well, Cheryl, you're a trooper. Congratulations.
Thank you.
This is Cheryl's hair now. It's just in this little Ziploc bag. She trades in this hair for a pair of Kenny Chesney tickets. How did that go?
It was fine.
Yeah.
He did a good job.
Yeah.
It was fine.
You're satisfied with this new do?
I'm going to have to be for a while. I have a wig if needed.
Yeah. Will you be wearing it today?
Probably.
How do you think your hair looks now compared to Brittany's?
I think mine looks better.
Do you have any pointers for her? Maybe anything she could do to improve her look?
Buy a wig.
There's also another reason why she did this.
We did it for Kenny, but we also did it for Carly. Carly is 13 years old, and she's been diagnosed with a childhood cancer that's very rare. She'll be starting chemo soon. She had surgery last week, and this one's for Carly, too.
So she supports her friend's daughter and gets tickets to her favorite country performer, too. Ted Klopp, WTAM.com.